What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to show you guys a strategy that's helped me improve my trading dramatically in the last 4 or 5 years. And this has really helped over 60,000 members that are currently in our community. So if you're looking for a community to join about trading, I'll leave a link down below right now. But let's get on to the video. Let's show you guys exactly what the strategy is that works on all markets, from forex, crypto, stocks, options, futures, you name it. Let's get into it. All right, guys. So for this strategy, what we're going to do is we're going to use one indicator on our charts. The indicator is called EliteAlgo. It's right here, as you can see it. Once we turn it on, it's going to give you these buy and sell labels directly on the chart, the same way Super Trend does or UTBot and all that stuff. But one key thing about this indicator is that it has a bunch of overlays that will also help us get very good confirmations for these signals. And these signals are much more accurate than the Super Trend or UTBot. This indicator, EliteAlgo, is also not in the public library. So if you want access, I'm gonna show you guys at the end of the video exactly how you can get it. And then over here, we can also use it on ChartLabs. So if you prefer using ChartLabs over TradingView, this indicator is also available on ChartLabs. And I'm gonna show you exactly how to use these indicators on both platforms today. So before we get into the actual strategy itself, we need to understand a couple things about the markets, especially if you're a beginner trader. The market can move in three separate ways, guys. You have an uptrend that looks like this. It's a wave that goes upwards. You have a downtrend that looks like this. This is a wave that's going downwards, as you can see. And then you have what you call a ranging market, right? It's a wave going sideways with high waves or low waves like this. Now, a couple of things about these markets you need to understand to be actually profitable in the markets is, if you're in an upwards trend like this, then you only want to place buy signals and buy orders. If you're in a sideways trend like this and you have high volume, then you can do both sells and buys. If you're in like this, where there's no volume and it's kind of a very flat line, so imagine like an ocean of no waves, then you don't want to trade at all, right? This is just a recipe for disaster. And then if you're in a downwards trend like this one right here, then all you want to do is look for sell opportunities. It's very simple. It's just called trading with the trend. And if you can do that, you're going to make a lot of money and become a very profitable trader, especially if you have at least a bit of experience. It's going to take your trading to another level. So going back over here, we can see we have our signals on our EliteAlgo indicator right over here. But now we need to understand exactly what the trend is, so we know exactly which signals we want to take, the buys or the sells, right? Because we don't want to take every single signal here. This is a recipe for disaster. So what we want to do here is we want to go into the indicator, and the indicator itself is going to have a bunch of overlays right over here, as you can see. If you click the trend cloud overlay, what's going to happen is that it's going to add a cloud, and it's going to tell you what kind of bullish or bearish run you're currently in. So right now we are in a bearish market, right? We have a red echo cloud, a trend cloud, and over here we were a little bit bullish, and over here we're bearish. Very simple. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to add this right here. This is called a volume profile. This shows us exactly where the levels are in the market that actually matter, right? So your supply and demand levels. What we're going to do here is simply turn it on. We're going to go to settings, and we're going to check on elite volume profile right down here. And these are going to be the only two overlays that we're going to need for this specific strategy. There's multiple different strategies that you can use with this trading indicator, but for this specific example, we're going to use this strategy right here. And now let me show you exactly how you can enter a trade and get a very high win rate with this indicator. So here's an example of a good trade that you can take following this strategy. We're going to show you guys many different examples in this video, maybe 2, 3, 4 examples, just so you can understand exactly how to trade a strategy so you get yourself a high win rate. So we're going to have the volume profile right here on our right. We see that the strongest sections in our volume profile, the point of control, is right over here. As we can see, we have a buy signal in a green trend, right? So we know that we're in a bullish market right now. We see that up here, if we take a look at, 1 second, this is the last high. So we want to target the last high, very important. And we see right here that if we simply take our trade, just like the way I have it set up, take our stop loss, set it right behind the last swing low, which is here, right? This is the swing low because we made a V. The V is the swing low. We simply only want to do that. That's basically our entry criteria here. So we have the volume profile, the buy signal, the trend. We know what the last high was. That's what we're going to target. Simply take that trade now, as we can see. it's going to go ahead and hit that take profit. Very simple. Why do we want to wait for the trend? Because even if there's a small pullback, as we see right here, the price has still very high momentum that's going to continue going back upwards and hit that high. And that's exactly how we're going to take those trades. Now, here's another example of a good trade, this time a sell. As we can see, we're looking at gold on the 45-minute time frame. I'm showing you guys different markets so you understand that this works on every single market. Over here, we take a look at the volume profile. This is our point of control. You can see right over here. Then we have very strong resistance up here, but this is pretty far away. Right now, we're just going to look at this section. Next, what we want to see here is we want to go ahead and take a short position. Our stop loss is below the swing high, right? We saw this. This is where the V is. Again, we explained that. And then we just want to look for either a one-to-one in this scenario. When there's no lows, we want to look for a one-to-one, or we can just target this down here. So, for example, we went backwards in time. We saw this was the low, and we're going to target that, guys. So now what we're going to do here is simply just run the trade. Again, we have the red trend line, right? We know we're in a bearish market. We know exactly where to put the stop loss, all that stuff. We see even up here in the dashboard that the algo provides that we're completely bearish on all time frames. It's very important. And we can see over here, look at what happens here. The price is going to fall down, eventually hit your take profit. It's that simple. This strategy is really crazy to use, especially if you're a beginner trader and you're going to win the majority of your trades. Obviously, there's still losses. There's no such thing as a strategy without losses, but this is going to help you become profitable. So here's another example, guys, this time on, so now we're looking at crypto. We're going to see that signal is going to come up very soon here. Boom, we got our signal right on the next candle. Look at this, very see. And we see over here, again, we have short. We can do our stop loss right up here, or even up here, for example. We see that's where the volume is, right? We take our take profit and put 1.5 times or once, up to you. I like 1.5. That way, even if I'm winning 50% of my trades, I'm still profitable, right? And I don't see any lows in the past, maybe down here, but that's about it. But we're just gonna run this trade, see what happens. And that's it, guys. We know Cloud, all the time frames are bearish, they're all red, as you can see right over here. That's it, guys. Take the trade and see what happens. Boom, we hit take profit right there. And if we continue it, because we're in a momentum, we can see that's going to fall even further, just like that. The strategy is very simple for you guys to use. So now let me show you guys exactly how you guys can get access to EliteAlgo. So now if I'm showing you guys exactly how to use this strategy, this time on Chart Labs, as we can see, we're looking at Bitcoin. Very simple. We have EliteAlgo running on our chart. Now EliteAlgo on Chart Labs is slightly different in the terms of the menus, but we're working on it to be very similar. And we can see over here, we have the Echo Cloud, the Trend Cloud running. We can see this little ribbon right here. We have that. We already have volume profile built in to Chart Labs. So if we click down here, hit volume profile, we can see it right here on our right. And it's very simple, guys. We just take the same exact strategy on Chart Labs. It's not very complicated. It works on all markets, crypto, forex, stocks, futures, you name it. And that's all you really need to do. So if you guys like this video and you want to know exactly how to get access to this, I'm going to show you guys right now. So if you want to get access to his indicators, all you need to do is go head over to elitesignals.com and simply just request access. It's not expensive. It's only $1 to try for your first 10 days. And if it's for you, then you can continue using it. If it's not for you, then you can go ahead and just cancel your membership. So $1 to try. Not only that, you'll also get access to the community with over 65,000 members inside the community. Not only that, you'll also get access to the community with over 65,000 people inside of the community. So if you want access to that, go ahead, elitesignals.com. If you have any questions before you want to purchase or have any questions, ask, whatever, anything, comment down below right now. I'll answer it. And if you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe. Have yourselves a good day. Peace.